Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Sorento. The Kia Sorento is a comfortable riding, powerful compact SUV loaded with impressive standard features. Take one look at its stylish, sleek design and you'll want to cross over to a Sorento. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, traction control, stability control, rear stabilizer bar, ambient lighting, battery saver, braking assist, front stabilizer bar, power brakes, cruise control. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.